Slavery in America began around 1619, more than 150 years before our nation declared independence. Take a moment to consider the purpose of slavery. We brought people from foreign lands to do the type of labor that we ourselves refused to do. Brutal work, unwanted work, work that benefited the elite at the expense of human dignity. Hi, I'm Michael McCune, and I'd like to pose the question: are the Democrats, not so secretly, trying to restore slavery and overthrow the American way of life? Fast forward to 1861, the Civil War. President Abraham Lincoln, a Republican, and the Union fought the Confederate South, which was largely Democrat, to abolish slavery once and for all. But now, watch this video of Democrat Congressman Jerry Nadler of New York. I'll be curious if you see what I see.
And we need immigrants in this country. Forget the fact that the farm, that our vegetables would rot in the ground if they weren't being picked by many immigrants, many illegal immigrants. The fact is that the birth rate in this country is way below replacement level, which means our population is going to start shrinking.
Nadler openly makes two disturbing arguments in favor of legal immigration. Number one, that we need illegal immigrants to do the jobs that the rich or lazy Democrats don't want to do. Number two, that we must replenish our declining population by importing more people. Now stop and think. His first point, using people from outside the country, not American citizens, but rather illegal aliens encouraged by Democrats to rush here and violate our laws to do the labor we won't. That is literally the definition of how slavery began in America. His second point, he claims that we need illegal immigrants to offset our population decline, most of whom don't speak our language and know nothing of our culture. That's not immigration, that's replacement. And it's a fast track to overturning the American way of life from the inside out. Democrats love to use projection, calling the rest of us racists, fascists, and even worse, Nazis. But while they point the finger, they promote an agenda right in front of our faces that looks a whole lot like modern-day slavery and the dismantling of everything that America stands for. Do you agree? Do you see what I see? What are your thoughts? I'm Michael McCune. I hope this gives you something to ponder. Thanks for watching.